Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Sending Emails with Python Using SMTP. Introduction. Sending emails programmatically is a common task in many applications. Python provides a powerful library called smtp that allows you to send emails using the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of sending emails using Python smtp library with a simple code example. Prerequisites. Make sure you have a valid email account with an SMTP server. For this tutorial, we'll use a Gmail account, but you can adapt the settings for other providers. Steps. Explanation. Remember to replace placeholders like your _email at gmail.com and your _password with your actual email and password. Keep in mind that storing passwords directly in your code is not recommended for security reasons. Consider using environment variables or other secure methods for handling credentials. Feel free to adapt this example to your specific requirements and email provider. ChatGPT.